Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to solve this equation for either L or G. So because either L or G are both inside of the radical, the easiest thing to do first is to just square both sides of the equation. So I'm going to take this side of the equation and square it, and I'm going to take everything over here and square it. That's going to give me the period squared equals, when I square 2, I get 4. When I square pi, I get pi squared. When I square the square root of L, I get L over G. The next thing I'm going to do is to get rid of my denominator. I'm going to multiply both sides by G. If I multiply both sides by G, the G cancels here, and I get G times T squared equals 4 pi squared L. Now, if you want to solve this equation for G, if you want G by itself, what you're going to do is just divide both sides by T squared. So if you divide both sides by T squared, you'll be left with G equals 4 pi squared L over T squared. On the other hand, if you want to solve this equation for L, you're going to divide both sides by 4 pi squared. And so you will get L equals GT squared divided by 4 pi squared. And remember, when you evaluate these, right here where you have the 4 pi squared, it's 4 times pi squared, and then you've got to make sure you group your denominator when you solve it. So that's how you can solve that equation for either L or G.